blood clot is my work. I build page. We don't build up page for nobody because destiny my blood clot name as one gun, one band. And me this. I've been out there. Alright? But me go talk the truth. I've been out there. So anybody want to talk about, oh, destiny is looking this, not blood clot me, you get it wrong. Remember destiny, my name, I always have it. Bye. Period. I'm out there. I'm out there. Remember say you same old wife used to give me, you know. The whole of them and she still watch me. Spice fast, you and jump must blood clot line, you know. I will not talk about me, no walk and do nothing for views. Me I talk the blood clot truth. You can't put on one man name. You should have put on the man name. Oh, you should have put on him name. You should have put on him name. Me not add nobody, you know. Me not add nobody at all. Me not add nobody at all. The end of the day, my love, Akeem should have put on the girl name. Even if Rosealee put on the name, Akeem should have put on the name, my dear. Akeem should have put on the blood clot name, my dear. Me don't chat to no. See the tattoo ne? It could tattoo look all fake. It look all fake. Look, wait. See it, I see it, and it look fake. Wait. Wait. It look, the tat, hold on, me go upon Cherish Life, because I dey upon Cherish Life. To me, wait, me show no. To me, it look fake to me. You know real. This not, you know real. You know real, guys. Don't fall for it. Maybe the tree that real, but this not real. Tattoo no look so, my love. Tattoo don't look so. Half a views. It can't be for views because the people have them views. Half a dirty people for talk and run with it. It can't be for you. If me say don't real. Right tell me say real for. Me never want tattoo on the face and come out and say real. It not real. Tattoo. You know why this not real? Look here. Which part of this blood clot real? When you do tattoo for swell. When Rosealee do tattoo name swell. Because I say Rosealee do tattoo already. When I tell me say, how did them bumbo clot people? Which part of this real? Which part? I saw tattoo look? Not real. Alright, let me prove it. Because remember, I'm a smart blood clot girl, you know. Because some of them only can chat, but they not no smart brain. Oh. Them only can chat, but they not no smart brain. Let me do me idea. So. Which part of this real? 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 Eh? Which part of this real? So, sometimes I can't work with you, you know. This is the real. Alright. This alone when me do. This alone when me do. Make this not real. This alone when me do. This when me do a while ago. Make this do not real. Alright. Don't real. You not real at all. You don't real. That fake. I black me go and black your so good money. You name me say don't blood clot real. You know when tattoo real? You name me say no real. You name me say no real. Which part of that real? Which part of that real? Once you do tattoo, your tattoo fi swell, and first thing, you fi have bag over it. Then people are stupid. You can't do tattoo arm stay, you know. It have to red, it have to swell, it have to have bag, all of them something there. It don't real. It don't. You see me I look on them, and I see some idiot done said stupid blood clot, girl, me. R.I. Let me see them duns. Listen to me. When Rosealee do tattoo, Rosealee skin swell. Because I know that tattoo Rosealee have. When Rosalee's skin no swell, number one, even if it no swell, there is no bag. You have to put a bag on it. Me don't talk. When you do tattoo, you can't just... Remember say no. It can pies your skin, you know. Once you do your tattoo, you have to put something over it. Nothing over it. You just do it and you let go so. They never did put on one face tattoo. And everybody come out and it look real and it never real. That's why I don't fall for things easy. I don't fall for things easy because did you have a one pan in face, me look and the whole up want to say real. The whole up want to say, oh my God, it's real. And it never real. It never real. What the person say why you black them? Moderator, be careful all you black, you know. If nobody not disrespect me, do not black them. If them not disrespect me, do not black them. I'm gonna go and bad. Well, if you don't care if you want real, if you real, me not care, me not bring no Rosealee, me not cuss Rosealee. So all of the haters them down over here, we want me if you cuss Rosealee, me not cuss blood clot Rosealee. You understand me? But just say, if you want real anyway, me not have none. Me not want none. My body have to stay clean and look good. See there? Me not none at all, my love. But like when my body clean and nice and look good. Me no want none, me dear. Me no want none. Me not spoil my body. Anybody want to put it on, my dear. When you say me no go put on one, but me not bother. Me no want none, me love. Me not spoil my body, my dear. Me not bring no Rosealee, but all me I say is, me not add nobody in my box. Me not add nobody, me no want nobody send a request, no go about in a business. Me a talk, but me tap it, no send a request, me sit down and talk alone. You can anytime I come in my box, when you come in the news, you know, come and chat. Like when you think of RJ or this or CNN news, and when people tell you say, calm down, tapping nice, 2 people can't talk, 5 people can't talk, you know, like a phone no live. Me not had nobody find somebody else live, go catch up and sit down. Me tell you that one no. Oh. Me not agree with you, no, because you have one long time, old time, blood clot, African kiwi. Thank you, baby. Thank Buffy. Me not agree with it. Me not agree. And if you're a team Rosealee, no, make it stay. Me not care, me love, make it stay. If you're a team Rosealee, me not agree with it. If you're a team Rosealee and you agree with it, then fuck you and fuck she. And me not give a fuck. Me no give a fuck. And if I know we are come talk about Rosealee, now if Rosealee a blood clot, have used the whole and no work a blood clot. Look, the whole and they about to know work a love use and work a do the things them. Have used someone who work a blood clot. Me now work and love use. Everybody know me long blood clot time. Everybody know say me a girl we no care. Everybody know me. Me never work and love use because my page them always up there. Maybe that page now by tomorrow to be up. Everybody knows me. So me now walk and look no blood clot views. Oh, me now walk and look no views. Me now walk and look no blood clot. Enough of them here talk about Rosealee. Enough of them a walk and look blood clot views, me dear. Not me, me love. Lovely, thank you. You should have put on Rosealee name. It's fear. You can't have your man name and your son with Rosealee. Put on Rosealee name. I me tell you, me say, listen to me. If you say no like Rosealee, don't come over here and bring down her mother. I not going in no box to bring down her mother. Because regardless of what, I still her mama. All when she hate her mama and her mama hate her, the end of the day, lap her, they might give her away. You understand me? The end of the day, she know her sister them, and she know her father. You understand me? And you can't rake for Rosealee, you can't say the Rosalee's side, and at the same time, you bring on her mother. Some of them are hypocrites. I don't trust them.